Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page been a blessing to you, check out my link tree. The link is in the bio. I do have some treats there for you. Your word of the day is in God's hand. You're in the big one's hands. Allow yourself to be molded, transform, take your hands off of the project of yourself and worry about how you're changing yourself, what you're doing. No, you're in the right place, the right time, and he's making the right adjustments for you right now. Allow yourself to be molded like clay to a stronger, wiser, better version, because what you're stepping into this next season is what you've been asking for. And what you've been asking for is what the world needs, what I need. There's so much responsibility that comes with that, but you are built to be able to handle all that responsibility. And you shall do it. While you're in the big one's hands, make sure you ask the proper questions for longevity, to sustain. Ask for the cheat codes, things that you can pull out that you would not normally ask. I want you to think outside in this solar system with radical faith and think of the things that might come your way. Think of things before it even happens. It's a great time. My trust in life is implicit. God's greater knowing and greatest love guides my heart and my choices. My faith is steady and I remain true to my light. Everything unfolds according to God's plan. God's time and God's will. You're in the right place, right time, doing the right thing. So continue to move forward and have trust, because you didn't get this far just by just doing nothing. You have done the right things part. And so continue to and excel to the next level. And I can't wait to see what you have for us. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.